To end off the lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a paper lantern, but first I'll quickly show you what a real lantern looks like. So it's basically a lamp, a mobile lamp that you can move from place to place without needing a power cable to use. It has a handle from which you can hang, and around the flame or an electric bulb you have a casing. This particular one has a glass casing, and it's there to protect the bulb from breaking, or in this case this open flame from bad weather such as rain and wind. So to make a paper lantern like this one, you will need scissors. Be very careful again with sharp scissors. If you cannot cut yet, please ask an adult to help you. You will obviously need board paper. You will need some glue, a ruler, a stapler, and some fine liners or markers. Hold your paper in portrait orientation like this. Draw about 2 centimeters line on the one end and cut it off. It's going to be your handle. Set your handle aside and fold the remaining piece of paper in half like this. Draw another line on the bottom of your paper of about 2 centimeters. Measure using your ruler and use your ruler to draw these straight lines. This line is going to be your stop cutting line. And then draw lots of lines across from the top to the stop cutting line. The lines here should be 1 centimeter apart. And then remember, when we cut, we go with scissors, open, push, close slowly on the line. Open, push, close slowly on the line. Now let's practice that with scissors. You're going to hold on the fold and you're going to cut towards the stop cutting line, which is on the open end. So we'll go open, push, close slowly on the line. Right, be careful just as you finish off not to hurt your fingers. When you're done, open it and lay it down carefully on your table. Keep the fold side up because that's where you're going to decorate. This is going to be your outside. So lay it down like this and then decorate here. When you finish, this is how the paper was folded. To glue it together, we're going to fold the paper in the opposite way of the fold. So we're going to hold the stop cutting line and bring the two ends together like that. Put glue on one end here and then stick it together. So when you bring your two ends together and stick them with glue, they're going to overlap like this. Just press to make sure they're nicely intact. Okay, and then bring your handle. This was the first piece you cut. Use your stapler. Ask for an adult to help you if you can't manage a stapler yet. And staple your handle on there and there. I've used a flimsy paper, but this is how beautiful it looks when you use proper board. There we go. Decorate it as you wish. I just used fine liners and I drew flowers and hearts. Simple but beautiful. Hang it up in your room, outside, wherever. Make as many as you want. Enjoy.